Hello everybody. In this video we're just going to be doing some simple stress crack repairs. These are some stress cracks that are in a bedroom. So the process is always the same with these cracks. You got to dig out the old tape. Once you get those old tapes dug out, they come out pretty easily. That creates a groove where the old tape was sitting. That nice groove now, once you put the screws in and you're ready to tape, the new tape, the fiberglass mesh tape for repairs, fits nicely in that groove. That's why we do that groove. So now you just have to fill in the groove area with mud, and that way you don't have to do a big old heavy coat over everything, crowning out the joints where these seams were. So that way you just fill in the groove, slick it out or sand it depending on the mud you're using. With this, we're using a hot mud, so we're going to slick it out. If you used a joint compound, you would just sand it and then follow through with another coat. And then we're going to caulk the angle here because there's a hairline crack in the angle. Instead of taping the whole angle and texturing both sides of the angle, a nice tight bead of caulking sometimes will get rid of these hairline cracks. If it cracks after you caulk in an angle, then you're going to have to dig out the caulking, then tape it at a 90-degree paper tape. Then you're going to have to float out each side and texture it. So that's why we try to do the tight bead of caulking on these small hairline cracks and angles. But yeah, simple repair. Boom, boom, boom. Get it all fixed. Stress crack. Sometimes when you see a stress crack, you want to fix it right away, because sometimes they just keep spreading. Like the one on the ceiling goes halfway in the ceiling. If they waited a little longer, it might go all the way across the ceiling. Not saying it'll happen the next day, but eventually the crack's going to just keep traveling until it goes all the way across the room. That's why you see some cracks, they go the full distance of the room because they didn't get them addressed right away, and then they just crack out, and keep going. So that's why you want to get them repaired, put some screws in it to tighten it up, so if it is any sheetrock movement, it tightens up the sheetrock. After you do a repair process like this, if it ever cracks out again, then you know you have a structural movement. But cracks, stress cracks like this are always going to happen in a house, so when you see them, you just want to fix them. So a basic video like this, we have several other videos. I think I have a whole playlist of stress